Hey everyone, this is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor. Want to let you know about a class that we have coming back to Oklahoma City, May 9th. So looking forward to being back in Oklahoma City to train on generate more leads for free. We're going to start this class at 10 a.m. This is going to be a hands-on workshop, so bring your laptop. The record for this class, 63 listings in 1 hour for one agent. You definitely don't want to miss this class. It's going to be a working lunch. Then from 1 to 2, we're going to cover probably the hottest topic right now in not just real estate, but in all the world, Chat GPT. I'm going to show you how you can use Chat GPT for your business. So you definitely don't want to miss this power-packed day. Those that are going to be attending in person, good news, you can attend for free and get CE credit. You're attending free courtesy of all the great vendors and sponsors that you see below, including Bill Thompson, Chris Morris, Redbud, Cornerstone, All True, and many more. So this is a class being provided by all of these great sponsors at no cost to you. If you're going to join us via Zoom, there's a small fee, and then both attendees, either in person or on Zoom, you guys can purchase the recording on that as well. RSVP below to save your spot in person, and I'll see you guys on May 9th. Thanks.